Whether you're new to driving or just brushing up, these traffic signs are essential for every driver in Canada. In today's video, we'll break down the key signs you need to know to stay safe and confident on the road. Let's dive in. No entry. Stop sign. Yield sign. Maximum speed limit. Dip. Bump. Double curve, first left, then right. Double curve first, right then left. Crossroad, give way to all drivers. Crossroad, or intersection. Curve to the left. Curve to the right. Fallen, or falling rocks. Falling cyclist. Divided road begins. End of divided road. Narrow bridge ahead. Road narrows ahead. Road narrows on left. Road narrows on right. Double curve left with side road. Double sharp curve first, left then right. Double sharp curve, first right, then left. Drawbridge ahead. End of road. Railway crossing ahead. Heavy crosswind. Height restriction ahead. Right lane ends ahead. Left lane ends ahead. Multiple curves ahead. Obstacle pass either side. Obstacle pass left or right. Pedestrian crosswalk ahead. Sharp left turn. Sharp right turn. Side road from left. Side road from right. Road surface slippery when wet. Rough pavement ahead. Roundabout ahead. School bus stop ahead. U-turn. Speed limit ahead. Steep descent or downgrade. Stop sign ahead. T intersection. Traffic merging from left. Traffic merging from right. Traffic signal ahead. Truck entrance. Two-way traffic ahead. Two-way bicycle lane crossing. Yield sign ahead. Y intersection. Keep left. Keep right. Bicycle crossing ahead. Playground. Moose crossing. Cattle crossing. Deer crossing. Reindeer on the road. Right turn required. Left turn required. Cyclist's path. Divided path for pedestrians and cyclists. Hazardous materia route. Cyclists must dismount their bikes and walk. Bicycle parking. Bike lane. Bus lane. Moped's path. Must proceed straight only. Turns prohibited. New lane begins. One-way traffic. Parking permitted. Parking. Passing lane. Pedestrian walkway. School crosswalk ahead. School zone. Section control. Shared path for pedestrians and cyclists. Snowmobile trail. Straight ahead or turn left. Straight ahead or turn right. Truck route. Tunnel begins. Turn left or turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Two-way traffic. Motorcycles and cars prohibited. Motorists must not pass cyclists. No left turn. No right turn. No left or right turn. No bicycles. No buses. No cars. No littering. No mopeds. No motorcycles. No overtaking. No parking. No pedestrians. No skiers. No stopping. No trucks. No U-turn. Quads prohibited. Skaters prohibited. Snowmobiles prohibited. Straight ahead prohibited. Trailers prohibited. Vehicles with dangerous goods prohibited. Lane left, turn only. Right lane optional. Lane right turn only. Left lane optional. Lane right or through. No right turn on red. Railway crossing. Red light camera. Road narrowing, give way to oncoming drivers. Hospital. Traffic control flagger ahead. Roadworks. Construction ahead. Chevron. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed it and picked up some valuable road sign knowledge, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more road signs knowledge and quizzes. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.